Good morning student, welcome to DSS online class. Today I will give reading video of chapter 10 respiration. Now next topic is breathing in other animals. Animals such as elephant, lion, cow, goat, frog, lizard, snake, birds have lungs in their chest cavity like human beings. एनिमल जैसे कि एलिफेंट, लायन, काऊ, गोट, फ्रॉग, लिजर्ड, स्नेक, बर्ड, ह्यूमन बींग्स की तरह इनके चेस्ट कैविटी में लंग्स होता है और ये एनिमल्स लंग्स के थ्रू रिस्पायरेशन करते हैं. हाउ डू अदर ऑर्गेनिज्म ब्रीथ? डू दे आल्सो हैव लंग्स लाइक दोज ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स? लेट अस फाइंड आउट. A cockroach has a small opening on the side of body. Other insects also have a similar opening. These openings are called as spiracle. Insects have a network of air tube called trachea for gas exchange. इंसेक्ट के बॉडी में एयर ट्यूब का नेटवर्क होता है जिसे ट्रैकिया कहा जाता है. ट्रैकिया हेल्प इन एक्सचेंज ऑफ रेस्पिरेटरी गैसेस लाइक O2 एंड CO2. ऑक्सीजन रिच एयर रश थ्रू स्पाइरिकल इनटू ट्रैकियल ट्यूब, डिफ्यूज इनटू द बॉडी टिश्यू एंड रीचेज एवरी सेल ऑफ बॉडी. Similarly, carbon dioxide from cell goes into tracheal tube and move out through a spiracle. These air tube or trachea are found only in insect, not in any other group of animal. Earthworm. Recall from chapter 9 of the class 6 that earthworm breathe through their skin. The skin of earthworm feel moist and slimy on touching. Gas can easily pass through them. Means exchange of gases like O2 and CO2 in earthworm takes place by skin. Though frogs have a pair of lungs like human beings, they can also breathe through their skin, which is moist and slippery. You know that frog is amphibian animals. Amphibian animals are those animals which live on land as well as in water. So exchange of gases takes place by different organs like skin and lungs. Buju has seen in television program that whale and dolphin often come up to water surface. They even release fountain of water sometime while moving upward. Why do they do so? Breathing under water. Can we breathe and survive in water? There are many organisms which live in water. How do they breathe underwater? You have studied in class 6. Gill in fish help them to use oxygen dissolved in water. Gills are projection of skin. You may wonder how gills help in breathing. Gills are well supplied with blood vessels for exchange of gases. Most aquatic animal exchange of gases takes place by gill. Do plants also respire like other living organisms? Plants also respire for their survival, as you have learnt in class 6. They also take oxygen from air and give out carbon dioxide. In the cell, oxygen is used to break down glucose into carbon dioxide and water, as in other organisms. In plant, each part can independently take in oxygen from air and give out carbon dioxide. You have already in chapter 1 that leaf of plant have tiny pore called stomata for exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. In plant, exchange of respiratory gases takes place by stomata. Like all other living cells of plant, the root cell also need oxygen to generate energy. Root take up air from airspace present the soil particle. In plant, exchange of gases also takes place by root. Can you guess what would happen if potted plant is over watered? In this chapter you learned that respiration is vital biological process. All living organisms need to respire to get energy needed for their survival. Okay, thank you.